okay? I know. I know. Good cry, though. Good cry. You have...
I don't cry.
Yeah. You have two others? Or
No,
three others?
three others. No, two boys and girl.
I just want to check his belly. Get out of the way. So did you say all of them boys?
What's that?
Did you say all of them boys?
No, there's one girl.
One girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll have fun with her. I know.
The youngest one is 20 months next to him. So.
Oh yeah? Fun. Well, I hear. That's the way to do it. You have them all in that state. I know, buddy. I know. I know. Poking around. I'm just feeling through the different organs, see if they're the right
Have
size.
you had a bowel movement or anything? No?
I haven't yet. The nurse would know a lot better, and she'll be here in 5 minutes. Yeah, and you can get all the accurate information.